This is our introduction to eating disorders. What is an eating disorder? Eating disorders are a serious mental health condition that consists of persistent eating behaviors that result in adverse consequences relating to one's health, emotions, and ability to function fully in life. These are dangerous eating behaviors that greatly impact the body's health and nutrition and can harm the heart, digestive system, bones, mouth, and many other parts of the body. Death is unfortunately a major consequence of those who not get the treatment they need to recover. With proper treatment, those suffering with an eating disorder can get the help they need to return back to being healthy and happy. In our presentation, we will discuss the different types of eating disorders. Okay, so our first one is anorexia nervosa. A person with anorexia nervosa restricts their food intake, has a distorted body image, and an intense fear of gaining weight. The restriction of food intake can cause a significant amount of weight loss in a short period of time and may result in a person having a very low weight. People with anorexia nervosa may see themselves as being heavy or large when they are actually severely underweight. There are two types of anorexia nervosa, the restrictor type and bulimic type. Bulimia nervosa. Bulimia is an illness in which a person binges on food or has regular episodes of overeating and feels a loss of control. The person then uses different methods like vomiting or abusing laxatives to help prevent weight gain. People with bulimia often eat large amounts of high-calorie foods, usually in secret, and feel a lack of control over their eating during these episodes. Our last one is binge eating disorder. Binge eating is when you eat a large amount of food in a short amount of time and feel you can't control what or how much you are eating. Binge eating disorder is the most common eating disorder in the United States, and it affects people of all racial and ethnic groups. People with binge eating disorder may feel ashamed and try to hide their problem, keeping it from friends and family. The prevalence of eating disorders. Binge eating disorder is 2.8% of American adults. We see bulimia nervosa in 1% of American adults. Anorexia nervosa, 0.6% of American adults. Anorexia nervosa, up to 95% of people who have anorexia are female. Bulimia, approximately 80% of people with bulimia are women. And binge eating disorder, rates of binge eating disorder are approximately the same among men and women. Conclusion. Eating disorders are a serious mental illness that should not be taken lightly. We will discuss them in further detail throughout our presentation. With eating disorders, recovery is possible. Statistics show up to 80% of patients who complete treatment can recover or improve significantly.